Hello everyone. Here in this question we are given Amit, Bhargav, Chinmay, Devesh, Imran and Farhan are faculty members in a college. Each faculty member is a professor in one subject and is an associate professor in another one subject. Okay. So we are given pointers as to who is a professor in which subject and assistant professor in which of the other subjects. Fine. So let's start putting that in a table. So here we have these 6 faculty members. Bhargav is a professor of electronics. So Bhargav is a professor of electronics. Of which there are 3 associate professors. So there are 3 associate professors in electronics. Now who are those 3 associate professors in electronics? That we'll figure out later on. Next, Imran is a faculty member for electronics and mathematics. So Imran is a faculty member of electronics and maths. He is professor in which subject and associate professor in which subject? In which subject? We don't know that yet. We'll figure it out later on. Okay. Next is Imran and Bhargav are faculty members in the same subjects. Imran and Bhargav are faculty members in electronics and maths. Right? So Bhargav is also teaching electronics and maths, out of which electronics he is professor in. That means he is associate professor in maths. Fine. So we are done with these 3 points. Next is Amit and Chinmay are faculty members of chemistry. Amit and Chinmay are both faculty members in chemistry. Now they are assistant or professors, that we don't know yet. Chinmay is also faculty member for mechanics. So Chinmay is also a faculty member for mechanics. Fine. Next is, this is also done. Amit is also an associate professor in mechanics, for which Devesh is a professor. Okay. Amit is an associate professor in mechanics. Okay. So Amit is an associate professor in mechanics, for which Chinmay is a faculty member. Okay. Or rather, sorry, Amit is an associate professor in mechanics, for which Devesh is a professor. So Devesh is a professor in mechanics. So this is mechanics over here. Fine. This point is also done. So we know Amit is a faculty member in chemistry also, right? So if he's an associate professor in mechanics, that means he's a professor in chemistry. Fine. Next is for finance, there is exactly one professor. Okay, so for finance there is only one professor. So that professor can be either Chinmay or Imran or Farhan. Let's see, we'll figure this out later. Now for electronics, we know there are 3 associate professors. And Chinmay, can Chinmay be an associate professor in electronics? No, Chinmay will be a professor, associate professor either in mechanics or chemistry, but not in electronics, right? So that means for electronics, the 3 associate professors will be Devesh, Imran and Farhan. So this is electronics, this is also electronics, and this is also electronics. Okay. Now we know Imran is a professor in electronics and maths. That means, is a faculty in electronics or maths, and he is a associate professor in electronics. That means he will be a professor in maths over here. Right. And in the last point we are given that for finance there is exactly one professor. So that one professor can be either Chinmay or Farhan. But Chinmay is teaching mechanics and chemistry. Chinmay is not teaching finance. That means Farhan will be teaching finance and he would be a professor over there. So basically for Chinmay, we are not able to figure out the proper combination of professor and associate professor. He is teaching mechanics and chemistry, but in which subject is he professor and which one is he associate professor? We don't know that yet. So this is either mechanics, chemistry or chemistry, mechanics. This is what we can figure out with the data given here so far. Okay. So let's look at the questions now. So the first question here is, who is the professor for finance? Okay, so if you look at the table, the finance professor is Farhan, hence the answer is option C, Farhan. Second question, the person who is an associate professor in mechanics is professor of which subject? So okay, associate professor in mechanics. Okay, so mechanics associate professor, there's only one there's an associate professor in mechanics, there's an associate professor that can be Chinmay, right? But in the options we have asked, the person who is an associate professor in mechanics is professor of which subject? Okay. So either Amit or Chinmay is that the question is talking about. So if it is Amit, if the associate professor is Amit if the associate professor in mechanics is Amit, then he is a professor in chemistry. And if the associate professor is Chinmay in mechanics, then also he will be the professor in chemistry only. So whoever we are talking about, Amit or Chinmay, in both the cases the person would be a professor in chemistry, hence the answer will be option B, chemistry here. Okay, let's look at the third question. What is the other subject that the professor of mechanics takes? Okay, so professor of mechanics is taking which other subject? Let's see. So professor in mechanics can be either Devesh or it can be either Chinmay. If it is Devesh, the other subject will be electronics, and if it is Chinmay, then the other subject will be chemistry. So either electronics or chemistry. The answer is different since not enough information is given. So the final answer will be cannot be determined. It will be either chemistry or electronics. We don't have enough information to find the unique answer. Hence the correct option will be option D, cannot be determined. And finally, question 4th. For how many faculty members can the subjects in which they are professors and associate professors be uniquely determined? This we saw out of 6 people. Only for Chinmay we don't know the exact combination. For the other 5 people, A, B, D, E, F, for the other 5 people we know the exact combination. Hence the answer is option 5 or option C, 5 over here. Okay, so that's it for this set. Thank you.